So hello everyone, welcome to in this video I will guide you through setting up our laboratory work creating a simple PHP web application that is vulnerable to SQL injection, exploiting that vulnerability and finally ensuring it using prepared statement. So let's get started. So first is gumawa po ako ng web application na simple lang. As you can see in this, then gumawa rin ako dito ng database. Ito yung i-ano natin mamaya, ilalagin natin. So when I log in James tapos 5. So nakapasok siya. So next I'll attempt an SQL injection attack. I'll enter the name in the username field and leave the name. If our system is vulnerable, it will grant access without a valid. So James then oops, oh, so yun, walang password. So as you can see, we have successful bypass authentication using SQL injection. This is a serious security flaws that can allow attackers to access or manipulate database records. Then, in securing the application with prepared statement, to fix this vulnerability, I'll modify the process.php. So, in PHP and use prepared statement instead of directing inserting user input into SQL queries. So I implement the MySQL prepare SQL to blind parameters securely, ensuring that user input is properly escaped and cannot alter the intended query structure. So wait. Now let's test the login again using the same SQL injection attempt. So this time it should fail because prepared statement prevent SQL injection attacks. So 'di ba yung yung James kanina tapos yung password niya nakapasok siya. So kapag nag-login ulit tayo, the same sila. Hindi siya makakapasok. So ito, kahit tama naman dun sa may PHP natin sa database. Then we have successful created a vulnerable web application, exploit the vulnerability and secured it using prepared statements. This demonstrates the importance of writing secure code to protect user data. And thank you po. So when I leave, I'll explain the SQL injection is a type of cyber attack where an attacker manipulates SQL queries by injecting malicious input into web applications database query. It occurs when user input is directly included in SQL statements without proper validation or sanitization. Attackers can use SQL injection to bypass authentication, access sensitive data, modify or delete database records, or even take full control of a database. A common example is entering admin or 1 equals 1 in a login form, which tricks to SQL query into always returning true, granting unauthorized access. Prepared statements are a method to prevent SQL injection by separating SQL logic from user input using placeholders instead of directly inserting user input into the query. Prepared statements safely bind user input as parameters, preventing manipulation. So They ensure that user input is treated as data, not executable SQL code, blocking injection attempts. Prepared statements also improve performance by allowing the database to reuse compliant query plans for multiple executions. Most modern database interface include MySQLi and PHP support prepared statement for secure database interactions. Always use prepared statement or ORM frameworks to protect web application from SQL injection attacks. So, and that's it. And thank you.